Hello everyone, today we will be looking at how to use Monday.com for construction project management. Monday.com is a powerful and flexible tool designed to help you stay organized and manage projects effectively. In the world of construction, there are many moving parts, tasks, deadlines, and team coordination, all of which can get overwhelming. Monday.com makes it easy to track all of these aspects in one place. Whether you are overseeing a small renovation or a large scale construction site, Monday.com helps you break down the project into manageable pieces, assign tasks, and monitor progress. For example, it allows you to see exactly which tasks need to be done, who is responsible for them, and when they need to be completed. This is important because, in construction, any delays or miscommunications can cause problems and cost more money. With Monday.com, you can avoid that by setting clear deadlines and making sure everyone knows what they are supposed to be doing. One of the key benefits of Monday.com is how it keeps your team in sync. It allows all team members to see the same information, so there is no confusion. Everyone from project managers to site workers can stay up to date on what is going on, whether they are in the office or on the construction site. Step 1. Set up your Monday.com account. First, go to Monday.com and sign up for an account. You can start with a free trial, which will give you access to most features. Once logged in, you will land on your dashboard. From here, you can create a new workspace specifically for your new project. Let's create a new workspace for the construction project by selecting Create New Workspace. Choose Construction as your template or start with a blank board if you prefer customization. Step 2. Create your project board. Once you have created your workspace, the next step is to set up a project board. This board will serve as the hub for all tasks and milestones related to your construction project. To create a board, click on Add New Board. Give it a name that clearly represents your project. For example, if you're working on a building construction project, you could name it Project A, Building Construction. Now let's add columns. You will want to start with a text column for task names, where you can list specific construction tasks like foundation work, framing, and plumbing installation. Add a date column to assign deadlines for each task and a people column to assign tasks to team members. Finally, you can add a status column to track the progress of each task, using labels like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. Step 3. Organize your board into phases. Construction projects are typically broken down into phases, so it is a good idea to organize your board accordingly. Create groups for each phase of the project, such as planning, design, permits, and execution. Each group will contain tasks that need to be completed within that phase. This organization makes it easier to track progress and manage deadlines. Step 4. Assign tasks to team members. Now let us assign tasks to the appropriate team members. Click on the People column for each task and select the team member responsible for completing it. For example, you might assign foundation work to the construction foreman and electrical installation to your electrical team. This way, each person knows exactly what they are responsible for. You can also add multiple people to a task if it requires collaboration. Simply click on the People column and add more team members. Assigning the right people to tasks ensures accountability and keeps everyone on the same page. Step 5. Set deadlines and priorities. Next, we will set deadlines for each task to ensure that everything stays on track. In the Date column, choose a start and end date for each task. It is crucial to set realistic deadlines, especially for a construction project where delays can affect the entire timeline. You can also use the Priority column to indicate the importance of each task. Add a Status column to show whether a task is not started, in progress, or completed. By visually tracking the status of each task, you can quickly see which tasks need attention. Step 6. Track task progress. As work progresses, you will need to track each task completion. Use the status column to update the progress of tasks. You can create custom labels such as on track, delayed, or completed to give your team clear visibility into the current state of each task. Additionally, you can set up automations in Monday.com to update the status of tasks automatically based on certain triggers. For instance, if a task is overdue, you can set an automation to notify the responsible team member and move the task to a delayed status. These automations save time and help ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Step 7. Collaborate with team members. Collaboration is a key part of construction project management. Monday.com offers several features to facilitate teamwork. For example, you can add comments to tasks to communicate with team members directly within the platform. Simply click on the task and use the update section to post comments, ask questions, or share files. You can also tag specific team members in comments by tapping @ followed by their name. This ensures they are notified and can quickly respond. This eliminates the need for constant emails and helps keep communication centralized within the platform. Step number 8. Manage documents and files. Construction projects often involve sharing important documents like blueprints, contracts, and permits. Monday.com allows you to attach files to tasks, so all necessary documentation is easily accessible. Simply click on the task, go to the Documents section, and upload the relevant file. This ensures that all team members have access to the latest versions of documents. You can also integrate Monday.com with cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox, so you can pull in documents directly from your existing systems. This integration helps you keep everything organized and ensures all documents are up to date. Step 9. Use dashboards for project overview. Monday.com also offers a feature called Dashboards, which gives you a high-level view of your project. Dashboards allow you to track key metrics like task progress, deadlines, and team workload. You can add various widgets to your dashboard, such as task status, timeline, and team performance. To create a dashboard, go to the main menu, click on Dashboards, and select Create New Dashboard. From here, you can customize the layout to display the information most important for your construction project. For instance, you can have a timeline widget showing upcoming milestones and a chart widget tracking the number of completed tasks versus remaining ones. Step 10. Integrate with other tools. Monday.com integrates with a wide range of third-party tools that you might be already using in your construction project. This includes tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, Zoom, and even accounting software like QuickBooks. To set up an integration, go to the Integration section, select the tool you want to connect with, and follow the prompts. Integrating these tools allows you to keep everything in one place and reduce the need for jumping between multiple platforms. Step 11. Mobile access. Construction managers and teams are often on the go, and Monday.com provides a mobile app that allows you to stay connected and manage tasks from anywhere. Whether you are on the site or on the move, you can use the mobile app to update tasks, communicate with team members, and track progress. The mobile app has the same functionality as the desktop version, ensuring you have the access to everything you need, no matter where you are. Simply download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store and log in with your account details. That's a quick overview of how to use Monday.com for managing your construction projects. By following these steps, you can organize tasks, assign responsibilities, track progress, and keep your team aligned. The platform's ease of use and customization options make it ideal for construction management. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.